Big, small. We saw a big elephant. The ant is so small. Cloudy, sunny. It was a very cloudy yesterday. It is going to be sunny today. Fast, slow. Rabbit runs fast. Tortoise is runs slow. Happy, sad. She was so happy at her birthday. He looks very sad today. Hot, cold. I don't like hot weather. It is so cold outside. Old, young. The old woman is going to the party with the balloons. The young girl is dancing on the stage. Old car, new car. I have an old red car. He wants to buy a new car. Open, close. I am going to open my shop. He closed his shop. Raw mango, ripe mango. She is cutting the raw mango to eat. I bought some ripe and sweet mangoes last night. Thin, fat. My brother is so thin. He was a fat man but so tall.